How to find Recycle Bin on Android phone. In this video, I will guide you how to find Recycle Bin on Android phone. So let's say that you have deleted a picture. If you want to find the Recycle Bin on your gallery, simply tap on these three lines. Then you will find the option of Recycle Bin. Tap on that. From here, you can simply restore it if you want. For that, tap on this Restore All option. Now, let's say that you have deleted a file. It can be an audio file or a document file. If you want to find the recycle bin, you simply want to tap on the My Files option, then scroll down a bit and here you will find the recycle bin option. Simply tap on that. Now from here you can easily restore your files or delete them permanently. If you want to delete them, tap on the delete all option, tap on delete and this file will be deleted permanently. And in this way, you can find Recycle Bin on your Android phone. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.